Hey, this is Will Jitsu on XDA Developers. I'm going to walk my friend through getting S off and root on his EVO 3D. Alright, first thing you're going to need to do is download the Android SDK. You can do that by running a simple Google search.
Alright. Alright, we will download the zip file, is that right?
Yeah, that'll work. Either one would work.
We'll do the zip so that we can extract it onto the desktop. In the interest of time, we've already done that. Okay, got the Android SDK up.
Alright, the next thing you're going to do is go download the Revolutionary tool. What's that? Revolutionary.io. This is by AlphaRev X and unrevoked. We've already downloaded the tool, but we need to install the drivers for the phone itself. So if you click on that link where it says carefully read our documentation page for this tool,
yeah,
it'll bring you to a wiki.
Okay.
And it says Windows users, please download and install these HTC fast boot drivers.
Right here?
Yep. Hopefully that won't take very long to download.
This is really going to upset me if it wants me to reboot.
Yeah, we'll hope that doesn't happen.
Well,
Okay, yeah, that's all there is to that. All right, now go back to revolutionary.io. And
okay.
we downloaded the tool for Windows, so go ahead and extract that to your desktop. Yep.
All right, downloaded it, and that is right here. We've already downloaded it. So you need to extract it to the desktop, or what?
Yep. Yeah, just put it on the desktop. I just put it in a folder called Revolutionary, but you can put it in whatever you want.
Okay.
All right. Now we need to check something on the phone. So turn the phone on, and we need to go to Settings.
Yeah,
Go ahead and unlock it. Then Menu, Settings. Then go down to Applications. And Development. And we need to check USB debugging. Make sure that's on.
Okay.
Yep. All right. And then let's go ahead and plug in the phone with the USB cable and set it to charge only.
Okay, looks like it's on charge only already.
Okay, hit done at the bottom.
It just went away.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
All right. Now back on the computer, let's go back to the website, revolutionary.io.
Okay.
Scroll down to that beta key box.
Yeah.
And you need to put in your information there to request a beta key. That's the EVO 3D.
Ooh, which version?
This one will be 1.3 because you have not run the update yet.
Okay. So as soon as I got my phone, there's an update. I just never ran it. But if I did, it would be 1.4?
Right.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Serial.
Now, we'll get that in just a moment. Open up the Rev folder that you created on the desktop.
Okay.
And run the revolutionary.exe. And now take that serial and type that into that box on the website.
Okay. Like a mark name.
Yeah, you should be able to get an edit.
All right. Generate key.
Yep. Okay. And now just copy that key.
Okay.
And go back to the command prompt.
Okay.
And go ahead and minimize that. Yeah, so we can see the phone. All right, go ahead and enter that beta key.
You mean to minimize revolutionary this thing?
No, we need that. Go ahead and put the key in there.
Okay, so go ahead and enter the key.
Yep. You probably have to go back up to that menu and paste it.
Okay.
Okay, hit enter. And this should start working towards getting root.
I'm a little nervous.
All right, just keep on waiting. It'll do its own thing. It's going to reboot the phone. And it boots into fast boot. And it should attempt to load a recovery on here. When I tried this, it failed on mine, so we'll see how it goes. But I've got a backup plan if it fails. All right, now if you see on the phone screen, it should say revolutionary at the top, and on the second line it now says S off. So that part was successful.
Is it a big deal? Is it a big deal to tell people what you did if it didn't work?
If it didn't work, that part should work. It's the part that we're about to do that may not work.
I also noticed at the top it says HBoot 1.4.
Right.
I thought you said 1.3.
It was 1.3, but it updated it to 1.4 by doing this process.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
What now?
And it asks you if you want to download Clockwork Mod Recovery. Hit yes to that. And this is the part that failed for me.
Okay, hit enter.
Hit Y and then enter.
Is this a big file?
I don't think it's very large, but I don't know. Because mine filled pretty quickly. So it looks like yours might have worked. All right, on the phone, use your volume keys and go down to reboot.
Damn it. Okay.
And then hit the
Just
power
the first
button.
reboot?
Yeah, just reboot and then hit the power button.
Okay. All right. What do I do once it's up? Well,
Once you get back up, we're going to put the file on there that will give us root. And we're just going to copy that over to the SD card. So once the phone comes up, instead of going into charge only, you're going to need to go into disk drive mode this time.
okay.
And it's going to go through the hands-free activation with Sprint again. This will take a few minutes, but just let it do its thing.
How long does this take?
A couple minutes.
There we go.
Click OK.
Remember when I got this speaker?
I do.
You need to bring in the real phone?
Please don't bring that into the shot.
Oh, yeah.
Garbage. All
All right, you know what?
Click OK.
Okay.
And OK.
Okay.
All right, unlock it.
Okay.
Pull down your notification drawer.
That's this?
Yep. And disk drive.
Okay.
Hit done.
Okay.
And Windows should allow you to open folder.
All right.